Welcome back to Design Guy. Curious how to design your own unique elements? I'll walk you through every step. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter your desired dimensions to customize your project size according to your specific needs before proceeding. Select an element in Canva, then click the Shape option to create a custom element for your design. Select any shape, then click to add a circle to this shape element. Adjust its size and position as needed within your design. Next, click the color option and change the current color to white to update the design accordingly. This is a newly added costume element in your project. Group your items together, then add another one to continue building your collection. Click New Shape to create a shape, then select and add another shape to your design canvas. Change the color to white by selecting the object, then click the Group button to combine all elements into one editable group. Group the elements within the custom element. Now we will combine these components to create a mixed element. This allows for more flexible and reusable design structures in your project. Flip and change color. You can add more elements by clicking the Element button. Browse through the options and select the one you want. For example, click an element to add it again to your project with a simple click. Add two dots above the letter, then change the letter to a Y. This adjusts the character's appearance to match the desired format or language requirement. Make sure the changes are correct before proceeding. Resize this element by clicking and dragging its corners to make it smaller as needed. Learn how to create a custom element in Canva quickly and easily with these simple steps. Click Share, select Download, choose your preferred size for quality, then click Download to save your file. Now you know how to create custom elements in Canva and subscribe for more easy design tips.